Hey everyone, need to cancel a FOOTLOCKER order? In this quick video, I will show you how to do it online in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, log into your FOOTLOCKER account on their website or mobile app. Use the same credentials you used when placing the order. Once you are logged in, navigate to the My Orders section. Here you will see a list of your recent orders. Find the order you want to cancel. If it's eligible for cancellation, you will see a cancel order button next to it. Keep in mind, orders can only be cancelled if they haven't been processed for shipping yet. Click the cancel order button and confirm your choice. FootLocker will send you a confirmation email once the cancellation is successful. If the cancel option isn't available, it means your order is already being processed. In this case, reach out to FootLocker customer support for further assistance. And that's it. Canceling your FootLocker order online is that simple. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching.